Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add page numbers in Canva. So first of all you will open up Canva and open up a blank project here. So here you can see that I have this one page. So first of all I will duplicate this page. So you will click on this duplicate icon. Here it says duplicate page. So duplicate and duplicate. So now I have basically three pages. So now right now in Canva there is no option where you can basically automatically add page numbers in Canva, but we can do this workaround. We will just tap on the basically text here. I will just delete these pages. I will just tap on the text here and I will select this sub heading here, and I will just drag it down to the page right here, and I will enter 1, which means that which shows that this will be the page number 1, and I will just resize it a little bit. Then I will just move it to the left side of the page, right this like here. And what I'm gonna do next is I will duplicate it and I will select it basically, and I will insert 2, and same for the multiple pages. Okay, so that's how you can add page numbers in Canva. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.